Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which device is mirroring and the protocol in use, because the steps differ slightly. Unlock your phone or computer and close media apps that could keep the session alive. This prevents auto-reconnect. Next, open the Control Center, Quick Settings, or the casting app on your source device so you can see the active session entry. Once the session is visible, you're ready to stop it cleanly to avoid freezing or audio continuing on the display. You now stop the session. Tap the active device name in the casting list and choose Stop, Disconnect, or Turn Off Mirroring. Doing this signals both endpoints to close the stream gracefully. On a computer, use the System Media/Casting menu and select Disconnect to end sharing without ending network services. If the session was started from a specific app, open its cast controls and choose End Cast. This ensures the app releases audio/video resources and prevents background playback from continuing after the screen stops. You finish by verifying the source shows its normal home screen and the remote display shows idle or returns to its home interface, which confirms resources were released. If mirroring persists, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth briefly or force quit the casting app. This breaks stuck network streams. As a last resort, reboot the source or the receiving device to clear any lingering sessions. Doing these steps resets the mirroring service and prevents automatic reconnection until you explicitly start a new session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.